Hi everyone, I hope you're having a good day today. And welcome back to my new video. On this tutorial, I'm gonna show you fake GPS Monster Hunter now free. Do you playing Monster Hunter game? Or any game like Pokemon Go or any other with needed the GPS for play? First of all, you must connect your iPhone to computer device. Make sure you have a good cable to connect. After connect your iPhone, you must open the browser on your computer for download this tool software, 3U Tools. Link on description below. Then install that software. 3U Tools. This software is totally free to use. In this software, make sure your device will detect it. This tools can bring you to info what your iPhone device. After that, you can click Toolbox at the right side. Then click Virtual Location. This can bring you to like a map. View the longitude and latitude. You can click any map what you want to move. After that, click Modify Virtual Location. Then click OK. Go back to your iPhone device, then click that. Open your game, like Monster Hunter, then see. My location was moving, and I can go to change any location what I want. Then click Modify Virtual Location too. Then, OK. Or you can search the location map what you want. Go back to your iPhone device, then click that. You can check to your iPhone device, then click OK. Look, so easy to use this 3U Tools software. To get fake GPS Monster Hunter now free. You can click any map what you want to move. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. And see you on my next video.